Become a standout graphic designer, recognized worldwide by mastering trendy yet challenging visual skills. Hello, I'm graphic designer Moonyoung, CEO of the creative crew Oh So Cool. I create trendy graphic artworks, spanning 2D and 3D, through collaborations with various companies, such as SM, YG, and Adidas. In this class, we will create various typography artworks with different moods, using only essential skills necessary for graphic design work. Learn Blender techniques in a way that feels easier and more enjoyable than you might have thought. This class covers everything from analyzing fonts to creating custom typography. Create intricate and trendy 3D typography artworks in Blender, exploring 6 concepts and applying over 10 different textures. Apply cutting-edge tools and technologies like Mid-Journey and 3D scanning to create innovative and original results. Discover how to apply created key visuals to various media and mockups, and build a competitive portfolio that stands out. I'm Moonyoung, a graphic designer. I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.